Hey guys, this is Steve, AAA Trucks in Monroe, Georgia. Speaking to you once again. This is our stock number HF8919. It's the 2016 Freightliner Cascadia 113 day cab. This day cab right here is one of several that we have. This particular one's got 519,000 miles on it. DD13 Detroit engine. We got 450 horsepower. This is a manual day cab, so she's ready to go to work for you. You see the sliding fifth wheel, polished wheels. The best part about this is you see the rubber on them, brand new. Got brand new tires on this truck, and it is got a good price point on the truck with brand new tires. She runs well. I'll let you look on the inside here. Nice and clean. Air conditioner works good. I sat in here for about an hour and did my homework. So, if you're looking for a good day cab, guys, this is it. We got plenty more to choose from with various miles. So come on down, AAA Trucks, Monroe, Georgia, and we'll get you rolling.